Begin by turning the knob that's on top of the AFM clockwise. This will raise the light lever of the AFM. Next, remove the cantilever holder from the AFM. The cantilever is the small reflective object and is what we will replace. You'll need the cantilever holder and loader, replacement cantilevers, and a pair of tweezers. To remove the cantilever, we'll first have to place the cantilever holder onto the loader. Firmly push the holder down onto the loader. This will cause the post on the loader to lift the copper spring and release the cantilever. With the cantilever released, tilt the loader so that the channel is at an angle. If this is not enough to remove the cantilever, gently tap the loader until the cantilever slides out. If the copper spring doesn't lift enough, remove the holder and turn the post on the loader. Be careful not to adjust this too much as it may damage the copper spring. Now that the cantilever is removed, take a pair of tweezers and place the old cantilever in the box. We place used cantilevers horizontally to distinguish them from the new ones. Now take a new cantilever and set it in the channel of the loader. Like before, firmly press the holder into the loader and tilt the loader towards the copper spring. Gently tap the loader to slide the cantilever down the channel and under the clip, stopping once the horizontal line on the cantilever touches the copper spring. We didn't get the cantilever quite as close as we would like in this video, so try to get yours a bit closer. Before reinstalling the holder, we'll first take advantage of the extra space by installing the step reference. The step reference has a Teflon collar with a set screw. This collar sits on the post on the AFM stage. Place the step reference at a slight angle and tighten the set screw, and then turn it to square it up with the stage. With the step reference in place, all that's left is to place the cantilever holder back into the AFM.